How to draw a beautiful girl. Hey guys, it's Amir and I'm here to show you drawing is easy. Embrace the elegance of a pen art and capture the essence of beauty as we guide you through the process of drawing a stunning girl using nothing but a simple pen. Feel free to draw with pen. In this video, I'm going to draw a beautiful girl. Follow my pen, how it moves on the paper. Try to draw like me. Like this video if you're interested in it. Subscribe to see more drawing in the future. Like this video if you're interested in it. Subscribe to see more drawing in the future.